Hi, this is Dansoy Amateur Cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today we have a really easy salad. It's a really healthy salad as well, and it can be made in like 5 or 10 minutes. With my channel, I'm going to bring a variety of meals, healthy ones that might not be as healthy, but you can treat yourself once in a while. But I'm going to bring a variety of recipes and meal ideas. I think food is good. It's comfort. You can share it with your friends and family. And it's something to be proud of. So today is a taco ranch salad. We're not going to use beef. We're going to use chicken. But you could use beef if you wanted to. Or you could even use shrimp. But this thing only takes about 5, 6, or 7 minutes. So with this taco ranch salad, we're going to start out with roasted chicken breast. I bought this. If you want, you could make your own, but it's up to you. But this is a salad which requires no cooking. So I have the pre-cooked chicken, jack cheeses. I have taco seasoning, these tortilla strips. If you can't find these, you could just buy the chips in the store and just strip them yourself. I have ranch buttermilk, ranch dressing, fine ripe tomato, and I have romaine lettuce. So let's just put this together. We're going to start off with the lettuce first. All right, so for this recipe we have the romaine lettuce and we have our bowl. So we're going to just start and we're going to cut up that romaine lettuce and we're going to throw it in the bowl. All right, so we have that romaine lettuce cut up. So we're going to put that into our salad bowl and use as much lettuce as you want, but I just use one head or one piece. I'm not sure what you want to call that. Now we'll take the roasted chicken and throw this in. That's already pre-cooked. Alright, so the next step is we're going to throw in some of this roasted chicken. And use a spoon or whatever, tongs, and spread that around. So use as much chicken as you want, or as little as you want. The next step is we're going to throw in some of the taco seasoning in the strips. Alright, so we're back with that salad. We have the tortilla strips, jack cheese, taco seasoning. Like I said, if you want it, you could have used beef if you want it. But I like chicken, and but it's all up to your preference. So take the taco seasoning and just spread it about. And if you want, you could just mix it all up by hand. It's all up to you. Next, take some of this jack cheese. And put some of that in there. So you can see how all this is coming together. The colors. Next we're going to take is the tortilla strips. And you see the colors of them? Put those in there. But you could see how this makes for a nice salad. So the next step is we're going to throw the tomato on, and we're going to put some buttermilk ranch dressing on there. But that's how you can make this salad in 5 minutes, maybe 6 or 7. It's all up to you. Alright, Facebook and YouTube. You see the salad. Next we're going to cut this tomato up and just throw it in, and then we're just going to top it with the buttermilk ranch dressing, and you have your salad. Alright, we have those tomatoes cut, so we're going to want to put them on. You can mix everything if you want. It's up to you. Next we're just going to put the buttermilk dressing on and we're set. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we're done with that. Now we're going to take our ranch dressing and just put on what you want. So that's how you make a really quick taco ranch salad in 5 minutes. So thanks for visiting my page. Please subscribe, hit the bell so you can get updates. I'm going to try to keep a variety to my page, do different recipes, do different meal ideas, and really thank you for supporting me. Share my page, tell your friends and family. I'm going to keep going as long as I can with this. So you be safe, love you, peace.